how to submit some assignments in 181. First, go to your course content. Then, if you'll notice right here, here are your assignments and due date checklists. Let's take a look at that. All right, it's going to pop up down here in the bottom of my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here is what I've given you, and this talks about how to do everything in this class. I ask that you please read through this. We get down here to due dates. This week we do not have anything due this coming Sunday. I'm going to ask you to print, and that should be the 13th and not the 14th. Print your due date list. We're going to go over some stuff on how we do it. But if you'll see right here, we got chapter 1, and then you've got all your different things that you're supposed to do. So let me show you how to get to that. And that's not yours. And so, what you're going to do is you are going to go to your module 1. You're going to hit chapter 1. There's a slideshow. You can look at that. Study tools. And here's where the graded assignments are. You click on that. And then you notice it says chapter 1 discussion questions. You're going to create a Word document and complete discussion questions. I realize you don't have pages in your online book, but we're going to look at the online book in just a second. So now you're like, okay, so how do I find my book? So if we go back, and we go back one more, under course content, you will click on this right here. And it will open up in 1 second. This is MindTap. It's going to ask you to put in a key code, and you'll have to put in a key code. Mine is going to look different because I have an instructor's version. Okay, so do not pay attention to any of the assignments on the left. What you're using this for is your full book. So I want you to hit the full book on the right hand side, and you're going to make it as big as your page. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to load. Okay, so here's your book. So you're going to hit chapters. You're going to go to the first one. You're going to scroll down, and this is where you're going to find where your work is. So you'll click on discussion questions. That's usually the first one. I'm not for sure if that's the first assignment. But anyway, so you'll find your questions in here just like you would in a book, or if it's the critical thinking. And what you do is you will answer these questions. You will type them in a Word document. And I'm not going to pull up a Word document. You'll type them in a Word document. Then you'll go back in here, and you will click on your module. You'll click on your chapter, and you will click on graded assignments. You'll click on discussion questions. When that opens, you will attach your file here and send it to me that way. So you'll go to browse your computer, attach the file that matches. Now, I can't save this, so I'm not going to do that. So that is how you submit this assignment in 181. We'll go over this in class, but I thought you might want to have this for your information.